how to export all of the keyword data. Because with a large website, you'll see it limits it to 1,000. But if we change this 500 and we go all the way down, you see the last result is still 2 clicks. So we know that there is 1 click keywords that is not showing up in Google Search Console. Google Search Console will limit a lot of data, and Google is known for this. But the way you can bypass this is by using Looker Studio. There's a couple ways to bypass it, but Looker Studio works well. There's also Google Search Console tool, which is a plugin. It's a little Google Chrome extension that can also help. So to get all the data, you're going to jump into Looker Studio, create a new report, and then you're going to connect it to Google Search Console. And so you're going to find in this list Search Console. Click on that, and then you're going to click whatever website you want, and you can click, I believe, site impression or URL impression, but I may be proved wrong. And when you add that to the report, you can then create a table and with all the keywords there. And so you're just going to drag over query here. You're going to take out property because that doesn't matter. And we can see there's 1,194 keywords by clicks. And you can add in impressions if you want that data too. It's going to be down here. And then what you can do is you can simply export this sheet to a CSV or a Google Sheets. And there you go, you have all your data. I use a different website, but if the website I was looking at, I think it has like 20,000 keywords. So just think about how many more keywords that is than what you get with normal Google Search Console.